Good day, everyone. I'm Raymond Andaya from Block third year Block A, 3A. So today's video is gagawa tayo ng Broom Suite hands-on activities on Altoro or create a system. So understand burn situation functionality. Learn how to use Burp Suite proxy to intercept web requests. Tungo tayo sa activities. Intercept and modify intercept the HTTP request in Burp Suite. So, open natin yung Burp Suite. Next natin. Start. Habang nag-i-start to, gawin natin yung in Burp Suite, go to the proxy tab intercept. So, hintayin lang natin. Yan. Makikita nyo may dashboard, target, and proxy. So, punta tayo sa proxy. Yan, nakapunta tayo sa tab sa proxy. Enable intercept visit Altoro method. So, intercept natin. Kailangan natin to i-on para ma-intercept. Pagkatapos natin intercept, open natin ang browser. Wait lang natin mag-open ng browser. Ayan. And then, search natin testfire. I-forward lang natin. Ayan, para makapasok tayo. And then, sabi ng ayan, submit a form, login and capture the request. So, nag-login tayo. And then, lagyan natin admin. Ayan. Kung mapapansin nyo na ano natin yung admin and 111. Ngayon, modify the request, change the user or password field value. So, i-change natin yung, ito siya, itong admin UID. Palitan natin ng password. Gawin natin 0. And tapos forward natin. Login natin. So, try natin yung admin. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. And then, forward the, so palitan natin. And then, show the verse of captured the request. And display each part the request and so, tingnan natin yung nakuha natin. Ayan. And then yung head, Altoro manual, body, ayan, and then the table and online banking, this. So, ganyan lang po ang mag-bird suite using bird suite. Thank you po.